Hello. How are you? Let's draw some shapes today. Are you ready? Let's go. It's oval shape. What shape is this? It's rhombus. What shape is this? It's square. What shape is this? It's hexagon. Now, what shape is this? Yes, it's a star. Now, what shape is this? It's a circle. Now, let's do some coloring. Are you ready? Let's go. These are our beautiful colors. What colors do we have now? Dark blue, purple, parrot green, orange, brown, black, indigo, yellow, blue, red, pink, and green. Now, green color. Now, orange color. Pink color. Brown color. Yellow color. Red color. Wow, that's a beautiful shapes. Congratulations.
Hooray!
Oval, rhombus, square, hexagon, star, and circle. See you next time. Bye.